The battle between Raj Bhavan and Trinamool Congress leaders is not new, but this time it has gone to another level with CV Ananda Bose, the West Bengal governor, opening the gates of Raj Bhavan on Sunday to civil society, journalists and the Trinamool Congress MP as well, Kalyan Banerjee, who made statements accusing the governor of shielding BJP criminals and arming them with guns and bombs to attack Trinamool Congress workers. Now, these comments have gone down well with the governor, who is also mulling legal action against the Trinamool Congress MP. The governor has also written to the Lok Sabha Speaker to look into this matter, since it is grave comments that have been made by the Trinamool Congress MP. Trinamool Congress MP Kalyan Banerjee is also preparing for a courtroom battle and did not stop at just keeping quiet after the governor did respond to the comments made by Kalyan Banerjee, and also that he is looking at initiating legal action. What did start this entire war of words between the governor and the Trinamool Congress MP? The governor did make a statement about special intensive revision, saying that it was important to clean up the election process and referring to West Bengal. The Trinamool Congress MP went on to say on Saturday that the Raj Bhavan, or the governor here, was shielding BJP criminals and arming them with guns and bombs to attack Trinamool Congress workers. And that is what prompted this entire spat of words, because the governor has looked at these comments as very grave comments being made. In fact, also looking at the bomb disposable squad taking an entire tour of the Raj Bhavan later on Monday to see whether there is any truth to the allegations made by Trinamool Congress MP Kalyan Banerjee. How will the Trinamool Congress respond to this entire actions being taken by CV Ananda Bose, the governor of West Bengal, the bomb disposable squad here at Raj Bhavan, and taking on the Trinamool Congress MP head on? We'll have to see what the Trinamool Congress does in return, whether they too will take some legal action once this entire matter unfolds.